Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by aligning the project to the media so Vegas doesn't waste resources transcoding on the fly. First, match frame rate and resolution. Next, enable GPU acceleration and preferences so your graphics card handles previews. This offloads CPU. While you're at it, create proxy files at 1/2 or 1/4 resolution for heavy footage. This speeds scrubbing and playback. Once done, save a project copy with proxies enabled so you can revert if quality matters later. Now optimize the timeline. Collapse or disable tracks you aren't using so Vegas doesn't allocate RAM to hidden clips. Make sure to bypass or disable heavy effects and generators during rough playback. Effects are where most lag comes from. If you're compositing multiple layers, switch preview quality to draft or quarter, and consider rendering a section to an intermediate codec like ProRes or DNxHR so it plays back in real time. These steps reduce decoding overhead and give you a smoother editing flow. Finish by cleaning up system-level bottlenecks. Clear Vegas cache and move cache locations to an SSD or increase disk cache size so playback reads fast. Make sure GPU drivers and Vegas updates are current and set your GPU power profile to maximum performance. If you still see stutter, render short test segments to identify specific clips or effects causing trouble. If a clip causes lag, transcode it to an edit-friendly codec. This isolates issues and ensures consistent preview performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.